Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by confirming the card and protecting your data. Insert a fast SD card, A1 or A2, UHSI preferred, and back up everything because the process reformats the card. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Storage. If your device hides Adoptable, enable Developer Options and USB debugging to reveal advanced formatting. Make sure the card is seated firmly and not mounted as portable storage. Now proceed to the storage settings, where you choose to set the card as internal. Now format the card as internal storage and migrate your apps and data. From storage, tap the SD card, choose Format as internal, and confirm you'll lose existing card data. After formatting, tap Migrate Data to move apps, media, and cache. This saves space on the internal partition. Make sure to review large apps because some system-level components remain on internal memory. If migration pauses, cancel and retry. Partial moves can leave apps broken, so proceed until migration shows completed. Finish by verifying the phone recognizes the card as internal storage. Settings should show combined capacity and apps listed on internal. Once satisfied, avoid removing the card. If you must, unmount first and expect app failures. If things go wrong, apps crashing or missing storage, reformat the card as internal again or revert to portable and restore your backup. As a key troubleshooting tip, try a higher-grade SD card if errors persist. Inferior cards often cause corruption, so swap and repeat the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.